In this video, we will make rosemary and sea salt rustic bread loaf. Tear and share bread kit consisting of individual sachets of bread mix, dried yeast, dried rosemary and sea salt. Ingredients: for the bread mix, 10 ml virgin olive oil, 120 ml warm water. For the process, 25 ml virgin olive oil, 1/8-inch round baking tin. Preparation guidelines: cooking time, approx 20 minutes. Method: oven. Steps of cooking: 1. Empty the sachet of bread mix into a tabletop mixing bowl fitted with a dough hook. 2. Dissolve the dried yeast into the warm water and add to the bread mix along with the 10 ml of virgin olive oil. Mix on a medium speed for approx 5 minutes or until the dough looks silky smooth. As you are watching this video, I would like to remind you guys that if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and make sure to press that bell button in order to get the notifications from my latest videos, and also please like this video and share with your friends and family. 3. Add the sachets of rosemary and mix for 30 seconds. Four. Prepare the baking tin by adding the 25 ml virgin olive oil. 5. Take the dough and roughly press into the baking tin, making sure you press right to the edges of the tin. 6. Turn the dough over in the pan, so that it is now completely covered in the olive oil, and once again, press out to the edges, using your fingertips. 7. Place the pan somewhere warm and away from any drafts. Prove for approx 90 minutes, or until the dough has doubled in size. Before baking, sprinkle the top of the bread with sea salt. Bake in the center of a preheated oven 200 degrees Celsius for approx 20 minutes. 9. Once baked, remove from the oven, allow to cool for 10 minutes before removing from the pan. 10. Can be eaten warm or cold. And that's it, our dish is ready to be served. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.